interferes, it's something that it's made up. I'm a very sensitive person myself, and I feel energies. And I think it's all begins with intention. The moment you give yourself permission to be part of this beautiful community and to feel good about yourself and to meet other members, everything will transform as if by magic. It's all about your own coming out of your own so-called inner prison, if you know what I mean. So the moment you give yourself permission to be part of this beautiful, loving community, which is, I think it's very seldom to meet this kind of community. I was looking for it for a long time. And I tried very many different communities where I never felt at home. The moment I walked into the Global Woman Club, I just felt at home. I felt I found my family. And that's magical because you meet people from all over the world, from different outbringing colors, shapes, way of thinking, and you just feel so much enriched and empowered from within. And especially when you can connect on the heart level, it's simply magical.